Is this coming from my scalp? I don't remember. Is this my hair? I don't quite remember. Is this mine? Oh, I didn't know. Hey guys, this is Dami here and I'm back with another video. This one's a special one because yes, I'm talking about my birthday hair. If you guys don't have me on Instagram, follow me now. You guys will see what I'm talking about. And also, yes, caption, this video is in sponsorship with Better Length Hair. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to work with them. Make sure you guys check out their website, check out their Instagram, and use my discount code to get some money off. Better Length actually specializes in textured clip-ins. Like what? Thank me later, please. Textured clip-ins. So personally, these are the 4B, 4C kinky curly clip-in set. There's 10 wefts and I use all 10 wefts for the video. So without further ado, before I show you guys how I use their hair to achieve this look, make sure to like and subscribe and let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so this is the foundation of the style. These cornrows is what I'll be using to attach the clips to. The flat twist at the top and the bottom of the cornrows is the hair that I'll be using to twist in with the clip-ins to make the blend as seamless as possible. So again, we're bringing back the Better Length hair. In the package, I have a whole bunch of clips. So right now I'm going to be using the wefts with the 5 clips and the 4 clips. So these are the ones that I actually use to twist in my videos. So I don't know if you can notice, but it is shorter than the original. This is how it comes. So it's a little bit stretched and a little bit more together. And this is what I'll be using. So let's start. So as you guys can see, I braided my hair in a zigzag pattern to provide as much surface area as possible for me to attach my clips to. I do not want these clips on my scalp. I do not want these clips touching my scalp whatsoever. So I braided my hair pretty close together so that these clips can just be attached to those braids. I'm leaving about an inch between each track, connecting it from one ear to the other, making a U pattern. So I've only installed 4 tracks and you guys can already see how the twist out look is already there. So remember, this is hair that was once mini twisted and all I did was take out the twist. So now I'm just taking out that top flat twist, which is hair I'll be using to cover the tracks by twisting it in with the tracks. I've already moisturized my hair with the Camila Rose milk and the moisture butter. So then I'm just gonna go over it with the butter gel, also by Camila Rose. And then I'll be going over this hair with Lotta Body's mousse. So my hair and the hair, but I'm just gonna make sure that my hair has this so that it's as defined as possible. So just like you would twist your hair for a regular single twist, you start as close to the roots as possible, take 2 strands and twist down as normal. So you can see the track, but when we take this hair out, it's going to be the same texture as the rest of the hair and it will cover the track very nicely. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest of these and I'll be right back. Okay, so the top up here, my hair is officially twisted in. So I decided to twist the nape of my hair with its own hair just using the Camila Rose whip gel because I found that twisting my hair on its own gives it the most definition. And if I want it to look as defined as the rest of this hair, this is what worked best for me. Then I'm just going over the Better Length hair with the Lotta Body mousse, twisting the hair in big sections, preserving the twist out and creating more stretch. Think of it as the same thing you would do when preparing your hair for bed at night. My hair will be this long in Jesus' name. Claim it. Okay, so these sides are moisturized. Now I'm just going to go ahead and twist them. I'm going to be twisting it on its own in sections that will achieve the same look as the rest of the hair. So my rationale behind twisting my hair on its own in the corners of my head is to provide added thickness and definition. This is because I'm only going to be applying 2 tracks to each side of my head. So after creating the middle part, I'm just going to be preparing each side to add the tracks to. So after splitting each section into 2, I just apply the tracks to the top and the bottom of that section, using my hair to cover the tracks. So again, we're going to put some of that Lotta body on the better length hair as well as my hair. Then we're going to go in with the Camila Rose butter gel. We're going to twist my hair with the better length hair in small sections to achieve the same cohesive twist out look throughout my whole head. If you guys are liking the video so far, if you guys are learning something, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you guys subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss another video. As you can see, in the front of my hair, I decided to twist my hair on its own. This is because I didn't want my tracks to come so close to the front of my hairline. Remember, we want this hair to look like it's coming from the scalp, and this is the best method that I found to help me achieve that look. Okay, so step 1 is done. The hair is all installed, it's all twisted. I'll come back tomorrow when I am all ready and all I have to do is to do my hair. Okay, it's the next day. I'm gonna oil my hands and get started. So you can use any oil of your choice. I just had it packed up last night. I had to go to the bank and I didn't want to look crazy. But let's take this out and see how it looks. I'm gonna section it off. I know the front's gonna be the most tedious, so I'll do that part last. So first I'm just starting with the better length hair that I twisted in itself. I'm taking out these twists, and as I'm taking it out, I'm actually separating the twist, being careful of the ends and not making it puffy or tangled or knotted. Oiling your hands really helps with the slip, and it just makes sure that your ends don't get puffy because they're not dry or overly separated. Guys, I can't emphasize this enough. It's really, really important that when you are twisting your hair, you use the same 2 strands for the whole twist. And that really just ensures that when you take out the twist, it's as defined as possible. What I'm gonna do now, that I didn't do with the back, was keep my hair in this twist. Like, you see how like it looks like it's coming from my scalp because they're together? I'm not going to separate them. I'm going to keep it in with the twist. Like I separate it to the roots, but then I keep my hair connected with it. This shit looks like it's coming from my scalp. Honestly, I don't even have to repeat myself. Subscribe, subscribe, and that's it. Subscribe and subscribe and subscribe. Because, hello. At this point, this could be my hair. Is this coming from my scalp? I don't remember. Is this my hair? I don't quite remember. Is this mine? Oh, I didn't know. Guys, I can't wait for my hair to be this long. I'm gonna have like long hair energy. Long hair energy. Guys, I'll come back when my hair is styled because I don't know how to act. I forgot how to act. I'm doing this style again. Subscribe, please. Let me teach you. Let's learn together. This is something that I just did off the bat. I was actually supposed to do another style that I saw on Instagram. Didn't save the picture, didn't like the picture, couldn't find the picture again. I'm like, I want to do it so badly. Then I'm like, you know what? Just do your own thing. You try something new. Maybe because I have makeup on too, I have a little bit of energy, but guys, it actually went, it turned out really, really nice. Yeah, I'm just gonna fix these ends, have it look a little bit more natural, not so stringy, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I was doing a lot and I forgot to come back and film what my end product looked like. But basically all I did was I separated the curls a little bit more to give it a little bit more definition. I started to pick it a little bit to make it a little bit more fuller as well. And then I just sprayed the ends with my mister bottle just to get the ends to shrink enough to not look stringy, but without me having to cut it off. But if you guys want to see how it looks like, here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Yes, baddie. I know. Guys, I'm telling you, the hair gave me some type of energy that I didn't really know I had. So thank you, Better Length Hair. If you guys don't know by now, please don't say I didn't put you on. Check out their website. Use the discount code if you guys want some money off. So if you guys enjoyed the video, please make sure you like and subscribe. I mean, you made it to the end of the video, might as well, you know? Also, make sure you guys check out my Instagram if you guys want to see the different styles that I did with my hair, as well as the video montage I did for my birthday. Yeah, that's really everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day. Have a good week. See you next week in the next video. No, because this has been a long day and a long week and my tongue is just twisting and it took me so long to get this recording. So I really just hope you guys respect me and press subscribe because I'm tired.